Hello, good morning. First Monday and first day of February. Happy Hearts Month. After the 2 nights and 1 day snowstorm, there you can see the sunrise. The sunrise there. The beautiful sunrise that signifies hope, prosperity, wellness, and positivity. Okay, so still the surroundings are surrounded by thick snow, like on our roof and the roofs of our neighbors. Beautiful sun. I don't know the song. You are my golden sun. The sky is also moving. Sun. Ooh. The sun was covered by the clouds. Sun. You are my golden sun. Okay, I will tour you to the other window. Okay, look at that. Crystallized eyes. Okay. The crystallized eyes. Waiting for a vehicle to pass by. There. Oh, so thick. So the fence. Look at that. The fence opening. Covered by the snow. Very thick snow. There you go. I can see the sunlight again. Hello, Mr. Sun. Wow. Oh, the sunlight. So strong. The gleaming light. The sun. Wow, the sun is really decent. Yep. It's 10:47 in the morning, and as you can see, the snow is slowly melting. Even here in our house, there you can see The snow is disappearing there. Okay, so the dripping of water. Okay. Look at the roof of our neighbor, but still the window is cold. Okay. Oh, there's Mark and Mark. Okay. It's 10:47 in the morning, and as you can see, the snow is slowly melting. Even here in our house. There you can see the snow is disappearing there. Okay, so the dripping of water. Okay. Look at the roof of our neighbor, but still the window is cold. Oh, there's Mark and Mark. Okay. Good afternoon. It's 4:07 in the afternoon. Still first day of February, the Hearts Month, and the snow is starting to melt. Okay, look at that roof over there, our neighbor. So almost completely. Okay, at the most top, no more snow. And the temperature is 1 degree Celsius or 33.8 Fahrenheit. Can you hear that? We have here chicken crows. We have chicken here. Would you believe that? Oh, can you hear that? I have rooster pet here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm watching the LS of Arnel Lahut. Arnel Lahut. Please do support Arnel Lahut. ARNIL. Arnel and Lahut. LAJOT. I'm gonna show you the dripping of the melted snow. Okay. We're gonna swing it over there to see. Okay, can you see that? The melted snow. Pardon for my shaky video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Okay, the second snowstorm has passed, and after the snowstorm, the sunshine will come out. Okay, so the sun is almost ready for setting. So at 4:30 we are in the Philippines. Looks like 6 o'clock in the afternoon or 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, thank you for your support mga kamavids. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. It's 5 o'clock. The sun is setting. Okay. There's the roof of our kitchen. And see, the snow is melting. So, still the dripping of the ice melt. There. Look. Almost. Okay. Oh, good. There again. There's still the chicken crows. And the meh of the goat. I have seen a bus, blue bus there. It's first time to see a bus. So the passing by of bus is limited. They have time schedule, not like in the Philippines that passes through by and by, like the jeepneys. Here it has scheduled because most people here have their own cars or vehicles. We cannot capture the sunset here. I must go to the other side of the house. Okay, so after in March, the springtime, we will capture the blooming of the leaves. Okay, we will document that. Okay, thank you so much mga kamavids. Good morning, sunshine. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd, and it's 7:57 in the morning, and The sun is set. Okay. I always fail to capture birds flying and squirrels playing on top of the trees. Okay, maybe some other time. Thank you for watching my videos, mga kamakits. Thank you so much. Okay. The heater, the steam of the heater. Okay, see? It's melting. 2 days after the storm. Okay.
Life terms, okay? Now, the variable components can be much more complicated. So we can have, like, say, two